news that's coming in at the moment. We just saw fierce encounter between the police, between the forces and the terrorists. 2 army jawans have been killed. There has been intense gunfight. 2 more have been injured during this firing. So far, 10 army jawans have been injured in the operation. Over 3 terrorists, from what sources have told India Today, are still hiding in the dense forests. Massive search operation underway. These are images which are coming in from the Kashmir Valley. Fierce encounter took place between the forces and the terrorists. 2 army jawans, they have been killed in this intense gunfight. 2 more have been injured. 10 army jawans have been injured in the operation so far. Over 3 terrorists are hiding in dense forests. My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining me on the story. Kamaljeet, we have seen how the forces, the army, all of them have started now tightening the noose around the terrorist. Unfortunately, we have lost 2 army jawans, 2 more have been injured, but the search operation, Kamaljeet, still continues.
Absolutely. It's been a very long operation. It started on August 1st. On August 2nd, there was a success coming in because the Haris Naris Dar, who's a Lashkar-e-Taiba local terrorist, he was gunned down. But the information coming in was that there were at least 2 to 3 terrorists lurking inside the forest in Kulgam. And that is where intensive search operations were carried out. There was intermittent firing which was coming in, which also reinforced the information that the terrorists were still hiding in those forest areas. And that is why the joint operation which has taken place, where the army was leading the operation, went deep inside. But on the 9th day, there is some sad news really coming in. Lance Nayak and one Jawan has been killed. Remember, they were taken to the Badami Bagh hospital, but around at 7:30 is when they succumbed to the injuries. But there's no let up as far as the encounter is on. There is reinforcements. There is technology which has been put to use, but these are extremely difficult areas, difficult topography. So intense operations still continue. Remember, there's no backing down as far as the operations are concerned, and that is why it has entered 9th day. Remember, there are difficulties as far as the operation are concerned, and there is intermittent firing which is coming in. But as what we've known is the determination of the forces, and that is why what we also know is that in these kind of operations, sometimes there is not just stray fire, but there is a strategic firing which comes in from the terrorists, in which there has been a setback. But remember, the operation is still ongoing. We did get a huge success in Operation Mahadev, but the information now continues that there are 2 to 3 Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists who could still be lurking there, and that is why the operations are still ongoing.
Thank you, Kamaljeet, giving us all those details. In fact, my colleague Umair Sardol has filed this report on the encounter. Take a look.
इस वक्त हम दक्षिणी कश्मीर के कुलगाम क्षेत्र के अकाल देवसर इलाके में मौजूद है, जहां पर पिछले 9 रोज से जो है एक मुठभेड़ लगातार जारी है, जिसमें आज रात को जो है 2 आर्मी के जवान जान गंवा बैठे और 3 मजीद जो है वो इस ऑपरेशन में जख्मी हुए हैं। ये ऑपरेशन मैं आपको बताता चलूँ, 1 अगस्त को शुरू हुआ था, जब फौज को एक स्पेसिफिक इनपुट मिला था कि कुछ इस जंगलाती इलाके में कुछ आतंकी हो सकते हैं। जैसे ही फौज सस्पेक्ट स्पॉट पे चली गई तो छुपे बैठे आतंकियों ने जो है फौज पे अंधाधुंध फायरिंग की, जिसके नतीजे में जो है एक आतंकी को जो है ऑन स्पॉट उधर ही मार दिया गया, और जो बाकी आतंकी जो है वो जंगलों में छुपे हुए हैं और उनको ढूंढ निकालने के लिए हैवी जो हाईटेक इक्विपमेंट है उनका यूज़ किया जा रहा है, जिसमें अनमैन्ड एरियल व्हीकल और रुद्र हेलीकॉप्टर बताया जा रहा है। मैं आपको बता तो चलूँ कि इस ऑपरेशन में जो है 9 मजीद आर्मी के जवान जो है वो भी पिछले 9 रोज से जो है जख्मी हुआ है।